Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from OnePlus device to OnePlus CE for Lite. First of all, you need to access Play Store on both and get free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both apps to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window about new updates, you can tap on Not Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Then tap on your device's displays and select Send at the bottom left corner of this OnePlus smartphone and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of OnePlus Lite. Also, on this smartphone, select all of the categories available at the top to pick all of your files that you wish to transfer. I will go with only a couple just for example. When you're ready, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom and click Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up. Now it's time to decide which connection way you want to use. To connect by scanning this QR code, use scanning icon next to input key above user guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Then wait. If you want to input the key, click on Input Key section, type in all of the available numbers and choose Receive. Over here. As you can see now, after a couple of seconds, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!